Tea for the Soul YouTube here. I'm Lindsay, and today we're going to do a super fun little tutorial on little smoky eye and lashes. Lashes are fun. I love them. You're going to love them. Stay tuned. Start with a clean face and go ahead and get your hair out of the way. I always start with a base coat on my eyes, and I just use my concealer. Less products that you need to have, because let's face it, we all already have our concealer. Just blend that in and spread it out, and it's just going to be a good base coat for the eyeshadow, help the eyeshadow stick and stay longer. I use a blending brush. It's just a little fluffy brush for your eyes, and a good transition color. So I don't like doing all black on my smoky eye. I like bringing in different shades of brown and gray. I'm gonna use this nice light grayish for my transition color. It just really will help everything blend well. And then I go in with this dark brown, almost charcoal gray, and I just put that in the crease with the crease blending brush. It's gonna be a little smaller than just the other blending brush that I used. And then I'm going to put some on the inner part of my eye, a nice good nude color just to brighten up my eye. I don't like my whole eye being dark. Just blend some more, all about blending. We could spend hours blending our eyeshadow. Almost done. Now I'm gonna go on and add eyeliner. I love this eyeliner, it's very inexpensive. Most of my products come from the drugstore. I love a good liquid eyeliner. It's just so pigmented and it doesn't move. Now this is a tapered pencil brush. It's a lot bigger than some that I've had. It's just perfect. So I'm gonna get black and go in the crease. So if you notice with each step and each color, it just gets darker, the brush gets smaller, and then I just blend it out, wipe under your eyes. You're gonna go ahead and do your entire face. I always put a little bit of brightening powder under my eyes, make the concealer pop. I get that same tapered pencil brush and I go under the eye and use that same dark shadow as eyeliner. And then it's time for the lashes. I love these wispies. They're made by Ardell. I believe they're 113. They're my favorite. They're a great starter lash for anyone. To remove them, I just use my entire finger and I pull them away from the plastic. If you grab them on the end or grab it by a lash, the lash could come out because these are inexpensive. Let's just be honest. Then you're gonna wanna trim it to your eye. I always have a little pair of scissors in my makeup bag that's perfect for this. You wanna make sure that it fits and it's not too big because that will be super uncomfortable. And then for glue, Ardell makes great glues. I am choosing the black glue today. It's gonna blend in with my eyeliner. If I was doing a lighter makeup look, then I would just use the clear. Put the glue on there nice and light and then just wiggle it, let it dry and get tacky. And then I just set it on my eye. The end of a teasing brush or a teasing comb is usually pointed, and I use that to help assist me because let's be honest, my fingers are kind of chubby and they just get in the way. But it's perfect because it's small and it will help you be able to see without your hand getting in the way. Just take your time and just push it as close to your lash bed as possible and use the brush. I mean, it's going to be the best tool that you have for your eyelashes. Now that you have both of them on, just really make sure that they're good and dry, they're not going anywhere. And then I always add a little bit of mascara. Of course, my favorite mascara, the L'Oreal Voluminous. I think it's the Paradise one. So that's super easy, and just remember, play with it. Practice makes perfect, and try out some different lashes. You can get super fun. And for Halloween, imagine if you glued little flower petals to them and your eyes were flowers. Seriously, you can have fun with lashes. So don't forget, like and subscribe, and we'll be back with another video soon.